Hi, my name is Prayag and I decided to make a course about Blender. In case you don't know, Blender is an online animating tool which you could use to make really cool animations. So I guess we'll just get started. This is going to be the first YouTube video on I hope, pretty long course. So, and just a heads up that I spent 4 hours on an animation that ended up being 5 seconds long, but it was a pretty cool animation overall. So yeah, let's just get started. So what you want to do is you want to go to blender.org, as you can see on my top left. Now go to /download. You can do that. If you want to go here, right to the downloads page, and as you see, I go to the downloads page, but I'm not going to do that, so I'll just go to blender.org. And what you want to do, is you want to go to download. So I'll just go to download right here, and you go to the exact same page. So what you want to do here is you can see which operating systems you want to have. So if you're on like a Linux, you can use Linux. If you're on a Mac OS, Intel or Apple Silicon. If you're on Windows, install or portable zip. I'm on a Mac right now, so I don't know how Windows or Linux or Steam or source code works, but if you do have it, it should be fairly simple. So if you don't know how to know if you're on an Intel or an Apple Silicon, what you could do is you could go to this on the top left. There's an Apple sign. You can't see it on my computer, but it should be fairly obvious if you're on Mac. There's like an Apple sign. So go there. You go to About This Mac, and on the processor, as you can see, mine is an Intel Core. So I'll just go ahead and close that. So now I know mine is an Intel Core. So and right there. So I'll just wait for it to finish and then I'll open it. So it's a fairly big file, and it takes a while to download. So I guess I'll just wait. While I'm waiting, I'll talk about Blender Cloud. For about $10 a month, get all these stuff. I think the thing that would be the most helpful for your animations would be assets, to be honest, because you could download assets just from the Blender website itself. Meaning, like, say that you want to animate a human, but you don't know how to make a human on Blender, so you could just get a you could just get a human template from Blender and then use it in your animation. So it's a little bit more than halfway done, so we'll just keep on waiting. And of course, you don't have to follow everything I do in this course. Like, I mean, a cube does seem pretty boring, but if you want, you could make something else. And in my later episodes, I will show you how to model your cube into something else. So now my thing is finished downloading. We could just open this, and there should be, yeah, right there, it's opening. And what happens? Yeah, as you can see right here, you want to drag Blender into your applications folder. I think it's fairly similar in Windows too. It's just that the format's different. I already have Blender, so I'm just gonna go ahead and close this. But once you drag it into this, you should have Blender in your application, so it should be pretty easy to reach. So that's it for this YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video too. It would help a lot. So thank you.